Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an absolute game changer for your gift wrapping needs, the SYOGUA transparent colored cellophane wrap roll. If you're looking for the best cellophane wrapping to elevate your gift-giving experience, you're in the right place. This cellophane wrap comes in an impressive assortment of 6 vibrant colors: red, purple, green, gold, blue, and clear. Each roll measures a generous 34 inches wide and 16.4 feet long. That's a total of 278.8 square feet of colorful possibilities. Whether you're wrapping a gift basket, treating someone special, or diving into DIY crafts, this cellophane wrap is designed to impress. What sets SYOGUA apart from other options on the market? For starters, the quality of the material. Made from high-quality cellophane, it's not only colorful but also tear-resistant, providing the perfect combination of durability and aesthetic appeal. You won't have to worry about rips or tears while you're wrapping up your thoughtful gifts. Plus, this material meets food safety standards, making it safe for all your edible treats. Now, let's take a look at how easy it is to use this cellophane wrap. The design comes folded in half for easy storage, which means you'll receive a 17-inch wide roll that easily unfolds to its full size when you're ready to use it. Just imagine how much more glamorous and eye-catching your gift presentations will look with such stunning colors. And it's not just for holidays. This wrap is incredibly versatile and suitable for any occasion, from Valentine's Day to birthdays, Mother's Day to Thanksgiving. Whether you're preparing for a baby shower or a bridal shower, this cellophane wrap can add that special touch to your gift giving. Look at these colors. The boldness of the red, the regal purple, the refreshing green, the elegant gold, the calming blue, and the classic clear option. Each color can completely transform your gift presentation, allowing you to tailor the wrapping to the recipient's personality or the event's theme. One of my favorite things about this product is its environmental consideration. Unlike traditional plastic wraps, this cellophane is biodegradable, so you can feel good about your wrapping choices. That's right, style doesn't have to come at the expense of the planet. Let's wrap up a small gift to show you how user-friendly this product really is. All you need to do is cut the desired length, place your gift in the center, and gather the wrap at the top. It's simple, efficient, and, best of all, it looks fabulous. You can even add a bow or ribbon for that extra flair. So, if you're on the lookout for the best cellophane wrapping option, the SYOGUA transparent colored cellophane wrap roll is a fantastic choice. With its wide application, high-quality material, and vibrant colors, it's sure to meet all your wrapping needs. Thanks for watching this review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on the best products out there. Don't forget to check out the SYOGUA cellophane wrap for your next gift-giving occasion. Until next time, keep wrapping with style.